Hello friends, this is Salman Khan, SKH Life Explorer. Today's video is about CV writing. All of the people who are searching for a job or who have a job but wants to switch to another good job, the most important part for job hunt is CV or resume. Let me start with an example. This is a restaurant brochure. How good is this restaurant depends on this brochure. After looking at the brochure, I will decide whether I'll go to this restaurant or not. Same is the case for our CV. When our CV जाती है HR के पास तो सबसे पहले हमारी CV हमारे बारे में बताती है. अगर हमारी CV और रेज्यूमे बहुत अच्छे से लिखी गई है तो ही हमें एक अच्छी कंपनी का HR कॉल करने वाला है. और इसी तरह से we will be able to land on a right job. So watch this video till end because in this video I will be sharing some of very by some HR experts who have good knowledge about CV writing and they will be giving you the best of the best advice. So first of all, watch this. Question number 1.
Well, first of all, in a CV, the first thing that we check is normal stuff, like the experience counts the most. The first thing that when we do scanning through a CV, when we scan for any position, it will be, it's the experience, it's the position current that you hold on to, your current experience, your previous experience, and if there are any gaps in the CV, that's what we actually look into. Because that's very much critical to actually see what job you're holding right now and is that valid enough to apply for this position, whichever position you're looking.
So now the point number first is the most important thing for a CV is your job experience. आपकी CV के अंदर आपका जितना भी एक्सपीरियंस है वो एक अच्छी डिटेल के साथ मौजूद होना चाहिए क्योंकि your CV first expression is your existing experience और आपके एक्सपीरियंस के लिए एक बहुत ही important tip. Just listen this carefully.
One advice that I would have in terms of doing your CV or your resume is to talk about what experiences you've had. And when you're talking about those experiences, make sure you talk about your impact as well. So what were the results and how did you specifically do a certain task and how were you successful in that?
जब आप अपने सीवी के ऊपर लिखते हो कि मैंने फलां जगह काम किया और वहां पर मेरी ड्यूटी ये थी तो आप उस सेंटेंस के साथ एक और सेंटेंस जोड़िए कि व्हाट वाज द इंपैक्ट ऑफ दैट पोजीशन व्हेन फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम अ टीचर एंड आई वाज टीचिंग year 11 students, so what was the impact of my teaching on the learning of those kids, whether their learning improved, their skills improved, or they got good results. Point number 2, the most important thing, your CV head should include your name, your contact number and your email ID. Make sure you use a professional ID with your name, not like something superhero type of IDs or social media IDs. Don't use those IDs. Use a professional account so that in HR can contact you when they type your email ID so they can know that this guy is really pro. One of the most important advice, never ever bluff in your CV. Don't write something or some skill or some experience that you don't possess. Listen this advice very carefully.
The best thing to do for a CV is don't lie on your CV. Give the right details on the CV. If you bluff on your CV, that's a complete no. It goes as negative because nowadays we do reference checks and if we know that it is not right, you go into a blacklisted name. So you will never get into any place if you're blacklisted.
One more advice. Your CV's length should be as per the HR advice.
In terms of the length of your CV, you should try to keep it to a minimum of 1 to 2 pages as well.
It should not be more than 2 pages. Just don't exaggerate your CV. Make it compact so that it's easy for people to read and reference through because everybody gets a lot of CVs. Nobody will waste time in actually going through 4 or 5 pages of a CV. So make it as compact and good as possible, presentable. Make important keynotes on important points. Don't just exaggerate things and say even schooling. Don't mention schooling. Just mention what your current what you're doing or what is your experience and what are your qualifications. That's it. Don't mention you finished your 10th grade, 12th grade or just start with basics of graduation or where did you finish off and just mention those key details. Don't exaggerate.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. In the next episode regarding job hunt, I will be explaining more key points for CV writing and more importantly, one more time, more importantly, I will be sharing some key interview questions and I will be sharing my experience with some experiences along with my experience that how you have to answer those questions professionally. Last but not least, always keep your CV updated. Whenever you are applying for a job, make sure your CV should match that job description. For example, if you are applying 4 jobs in a single day, make sure you update your CV 4 times as per the job requirement or job description of that specific position. So thank you so much. Keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.